Um, hey guys, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tabak Maaz, or lamb chops, Kashmiri style. 1.5 kilos of lamb chops, fatty lamb chops. We also have ginger, some garlic, we have black peppercorns, clove, small green cardamoms, large cardamoms, the black ones, and some cumin and some cinnamon. So we're just gonna let that boil away. The turmeric fries out into this nice yellow oil. We do them like this. You basically boil the water, and you throw the lamb in with the spices, turn it into like a lamb spice stock, and you go from there. You start frying them up, and you shallow fry them. That's the best part. Alright, so we've got some turmeric in there. And then, just for the spirit of Kashmir, we're going to add a pinch of saffron. Probably don't even see that go in, but it's there. I'm just going to add a tiny bit more. Gets all dry in this weather, you see. Now, what we're going to do here is put on the lid, let that lamb cook out. We're probably going to add a little bit more water because as I can see, the lamb is kind of sticking out there. So I'm going to add a tiny bit more water and let it boil for like 45 minutes until it's all soft and tender. And really at that point you could do anything you want with it. You could like fry it up into a curry, or you could turn it into a nice abgosht, or that's basically a lamb. You just take the chops out of here, strain them, and throw them into the yogurt sauce, which I'll show you in another recipe. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, so we've got those boiled lamb chops now frying in some mustard oil, and we're just going to turn the sides occasionally. Just going to get a brown crispiness to them, which I'm getting already, so I'm going to flip them any second. The best part about this kind of cooking, you've already done the hard part, which is rendering the fat out, so now all you have to do is crispen it up. Good to go. And it should look something like that. Brown and crispy from the sides, nice and cooked on the inside. And after this, we're just going to try and get it on all of its sides. Alright, so we have our Kashmiri style Tabak Maaz lamb chops ready. They are out of the water pan into the fryer and just placed on some tin foil after, with dusted off with some salt and pepper, and the final ingredient, powdered cinnamon. Don't tell anyone about that one. Kashmiri style Tabak Maaz, or lamb chops, fried in mustard oil. Enjoy. Alright, so in here we have some lamb chops grilling. Alright, so in here we have some lamb chops grilling, nice and dry. No seasonings, no flavorings. We're just waiting for it to get nice and crispy like it is right now. In about 15 minutes I'm going to come back and glaze it with a honey clove barbecue sauce. And I'll show you how to make that in just a second. Once your garlic is semi-roasted, we're going to add our honey. Okanagan wildflower honey. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so while this is still warm, we're just going to spoon it over the lamb. And we're going to make sure that we cover almost each part of it. You might be better off using a brush. That's okay. And yeah, just continue the process. Okay, so we've got the lamb all glazed up. Time to throw it back in the oven for half an hour. Keep checking on it so that it doesn't burn. roasted lamb chops with a clove, garlic, and honey glaze. With a honey, garlic, and clove glaze. Enjoy. And just to show you, just to give you a quick recap, those are our Kashmiri style Tabak Maaz chops, and these are the honey glazed ones. And they're both completely awesome. You guys need to try them. You guys need to try this at your next party. Lamb chops 2 ways, 3 ways, 4 ways. Possibilities are endless. Hope you enjoyed the video.